Okay, first time. First time, okay? Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Okay, while you are enjoying watching me enjoying the bike ride, I'm gonna do a bit of voiceover to explain how I ended up on the bike. If you are arriving in Ho Chi Minh Airport, you can't actually order a Grab bike at the airport entrance. You have to get out of the airport across the road to order a Grab bike because the Grab is not allowed to go into the airport and pick you up. Okay, back to me having my first meal in Vietnam. One bowl, how much? One bowl, 40000. Okay, I just found a street store next to the street, literally. They serve bánh bưởi, which is one of my favorite noodle. It's like a little bit of spicy, and I think they serve with pork or beef. Can't remember. It's been a long time. Beautiful bowl of bánh bưởi. Moment of truth. Not too bad. Hopefully I don't get stomachache from this. This is me taking a VIP van from Ho Chi Minh to Can Tho. In Vietnamese they call it Can Tho, and it takes around 2.5 hours to reach there. It's really comfortable and nice to sit. Oh, brother. Good luck. Thank you. Alright, okay. See you, bye bye. So I'm in a homestay right now. It's pretty nice, this homestay. I'll show you guys. So there's a balcony. And there's my bed. There's the toilet. Nice and cozy. They say there's like a rooftop up there. Let's have a look. Wow. Wow, kanina. 很惨热哦. So here's the rooftop. Fucking hot. Right now I'm going out for lunch. Apparently this is a city center. It's a little bit busy but not as busy as Ho Chi Minh. I don't know, I have to cross to the other side. So I think I'll just cross. Fuck. Easy boom beep beep. Ho Chi Minh is the harder level. This one is just a warm-up practice, you know. Menu. What, this one? Okay, two. I ordered these two, but she gave me all of this veg. Anyway, I got drink as well. Tastes like 小麦草. How to eat this one? Do I then eat together? Okay, thank you. So we wrap this thing. It's passing. Okay, a little bit disappointing. I thought she's gonna make a fresh one for me. She took it out from the fridge and poured it for me. It's okay. What to expect? It's only 20k. Don't. Tastes good. Tastes like diabetes. So right now I'm at Mekong Delta River. It's like a whole stretch of
walking pavement. It's quite nice. A lot of Xiaomi Mei taking photos too.
Đúng như lời em nói, cơ hội vẫn tìm đến nhưng mà anh còn lười nên trôi. Anh vẫn đang phải đợi những thứ mà mấy cho đời đem tới. Anh chỉ muốn ở bên bạn bè cùng những câu đùa đen tối, ở dưới ngọn đồi bên núi và có em nằm bên gối. Đôi điều những buồn vui ngày qua mà ta thì từng trên môi. Anh chỉ muốn đời anh tự do tự lo từ đầu đến cuối, không mang những buồn đau dính ta thật sâu để chờ.
We went to this really big restaurant that specializes in Vietnamese pancake. And the way you eat it is you pick a big leaf, then you lay over different kind of leaves to add in. Then at the end you lay a piece of pancake, some fillings like the meats and the cooked veg, and another layer of pancake. Then you wrap that beautiful baby you just created nice and tight and dip it into the sauce. Then you stuff it in your mouth, bite it off and chew it, and every pieces of the flavor would just burst inside of your mouth. This is a fried shrimp ball, which is kind of like the same thing I had for lunch, but it's a little bit more juicy and flavorful for this one. You are supposed to wrap it with the veg, but I was just too lazy. And next we headed to another restaurant for our second dinner, and this one is a below leaf wrapped beef. For this one you don't wrap it with a big leaves, you wrap it with a rice paper.
Pineapple and cucumber.
And you add some noodle in as well.
Smoke weed every day.
Hello.
Okay, right now we are at the floating market, and you can see there's a lot of boats. Just now they mentioned that this thing on top, it represents what they are selling.
So they have like different rows of store, and there's like so you just drive past it. I thought like the boats would come here and sell you stuff, you know?
No, they actually where you can see these, or they are just sell for like a bit. Yeah, for a lot.
So they sell it for like
Someone
restaurants.
Yeah, like that as well, or like the market. Yeah, sell for the market.
Coffee. Coffee? What coffee do they have? What do you normally drink?
Em ơn cái xéo
You go sweet?
No,
No, I go whatever you order. Can I go?
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh, it's good. Nice.
Cảm ơn.
Thank you. Is that fish?
It's shrimp.
Into the river.
Yeah.
Okay. What's it?
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, nice.
Hết rồi à?
Tặng thắt rồi.
Dạ.
Rồi chị vô lọ tiếng trong hả con?
Dạ.
That's okay. It's a bit sweet.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
No sugar. Wow. At the end of the trip, we went through this small river to experience how the locals live on their day-to-day life. But our boat got stuck in the middle of the river because of all these plants. And our driver has to jump off the boat to clear all the plants. And luckily we have another villager like next to the river came over to help us to chop off some plants. We managed to get through the plants in about 15 minutes, but after that we encountered another issue where we have to lift up the electric cable in order to pass through. But that's not it. After the electric cable, there's actually another obstacle, which is the bridge that we have to lower down our roof and our head as well to pass through the bridge. I gotta say, it was a lot of fun because I was not expecting this at all. Let it sink. It's okay. There's no smell. Yeah. So we had this for dinner. It's about the same thing. You wrap the meat with the rice paper and the lettuce. What's this?
Banana.
Banana.
Banana. Is it right?
Doesn't taste like banana. It's not yet.
Yeah,
Still green.
Yes, still green. Yes, yes.
Then we had this grilled spring roll that has yam inside. It was delicious. Yeah. So you mix everything. Mix. You order big one for me.
Yeah.
Ah. Okay. It's nice.
Both with light season. What else?
Vì để còn lắm sóng gió, sao em không ngồi lại cùng chút bình minh? Tạm bỏ lại cánh trên vai, theo anh đi tìm lại một phút yên bình. Ngày rồi ngày vẫn những khó khăn, em vẫn xoay vẫn cùng những nốt thăng trầm. Nhưng cứ vui lên em, vì ngày mai lại một cơ hội để ôm trọn thế giới. Vâng,